Hi, this is F2 Media Channel. I'm Purinya Watana Parada. I'm an electrical engineer, and you are on the right place if you want to know about the electrical and electronics. Hit the red subscribe and the bell button, and let's begin. Hi, this is F2 Media Channel. Today I'm going to unbox a Sony lens. I have this Sony Prime G Master 14mm. E-month 35mm full frame. This is F1.8. Let's see what I have inside. So the box comes with the lens in the back and tag of document, warranty information document, some information about this lens. Let's see what I have inside. Back is very small, cute, light. It's coming two straps and one handle here on the top, and also come with the belt lock. And inside, this for the back. The lens very light actually, and it comes with the two ring, one for manual focus and one for aperture. Hey, if this is the first time you are watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the ring bell. Thank you. The cap is locked outside. Actually, it's better than the cap that locked inside, but in this lens, locking outside is better because the lens, you can see the lens, because it's very wide lens or extra wide lens, not flat lens, so the cap better to do from the outside. From inside, there is the bracket for filter inside here, because in front of the lens has no thread to put the filter in front of the lens, so the filter will be attached inside the lens. The aperture can change from wide as 1.8 and small as 16, and the lens comes with the lock, the click lock for the aperture ring. So if I turn the click on, the aperture will be clicked like this to lock it, and if I turn it off, the aperture ring will turn smoothly. So it's suitable for video feature. The lens comes with the switch to lock autofocus or manual focus, also push button switch. This switch can be programmable and then can be used as a focus and lock it. Okay, so I will try to use this lens and then I'll tell you the result, maybe compared to another lens 135mm 1.8 aperture. let's see how the Sony lens can do. Okay, thank you for watching my video and see you on the next video. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the video, give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the H2IVO Media channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified in any of the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.